Alright, now that we're on the subject of unboxing, let me do another one that I forgot to do earlier. This one's from Loftin Lithics. He sent me a free box of slabs and stuff. Let's see. When I get back into doing the flint and chert, I'm going to be napping some of this. I think they're slabs of Georgetown. Very well packaged Georgetown in various shapes. Yeah, it's actually going to be challenging to do these with percussion. That's the way I normally do these slabs. And they need to be 3/8 inches thick or so. I don't see any problem with these. So far, it looks like they're going to be thick enough. Let me just get the tape off. Georgetown. Okay, so I think this would be normally $15. I don't know. Let me see. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if that's the price. But let's see. These are challenging to do with percussion. Very challenging. Yes, yes. Let's see. What is the... These are 5/16. 3/8 is good for percussion, so these are going to be a little bit thin, but it's okay, I think. Let me just... Okay, they're heat treated. There you go, that makes a difference. I think he did tell me that they were heat treated. Holy moly, that's nice. Okay, so I think I can probably shoot flakes across. I just need to do a zigzag on the edges. Yeah. I'll need to zigzag these edges to get them unsquared. You know what I mean? I can't have square edges on it. Although I could pressure flake little tiny flakes off of there and get... I suppose I can get the edges off that way. I don't nap with square edges. Yeah. Even when I'm supposed to. You don't learn about flake over grind on this channel. Alright, so this is excellent material. That's sweet. Let's see. Well, it's a different mindset to do something like that. But I'm getting into doing that mindset so I can at least have some videos covering the topic. That way I can say, yeah, I've got videos on that. I've done that before. It was a difficult challenge, but I did it. I cheated though, because these were all heat treats, probably. I don't want to do the angry chicken on these, because I know myself. I'll snap one of these by dropping it. Gotta be careful. There we go. Knife blade preforms. Yeah. So maybe I'll do the... Hold on a second. I gotta turn off that space heater. Believe it or not, it's getting too hot. Alright. Yeah, it starts getting up near 45, 50 degrees, and I start to sweat. It's not even the sweat stage. This looks like it's not Georgetown. It might be heat treated amoeba chert or something similar. This one might have had a crack in it. Yeah, that broke in a strange way. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, it's good heat treat. I know it looks like I'm messing it all up, but it had a crack right there. I'm trying to remember what he told me in the messages. If this was some sort of Paternalis chert or amoeba chert. I'm probably going to have to start it off with pressure flaking. Yeah. I've got to get it set up for percussion. But if I try to set it up with pressure flaking, I might give myself napper's cramp. Yeah, okay. I can try harder, but it's not worth it. My wrist will start to tell me that I'm being stupid. Yeah. Much easier on everything. Joints, back, muscles, shoulder. Much easier to do it this way. It's excellent material. Very sweet. Just gonna make sure I don't mess up the zigzags, because that will stall. Believe it or not, you can stall the zigzags. Yep. I can't hit it too hard because I'm right on the tip. of a very thin piece. And it's stalling on me and doing weird stuff. Because I'm not hitting it hard enough, so it ends up misbehaving. Yep. I just need to get that zigzag correct. It's still stalled. I haven't unstalled it yet. I think that did it. Yeah, all right. Let me just fix this tip a little bit. Just because I don't like that little lump right there. Yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna get the edge going, get it convex on the surface to run longer flakes. I don't see any problems. See, I unstalled the zigzag, so now I just need to continue. As long as I don't mess it up. I gotta hit hard, but not too hard. Not like that. Yeah, this is a different mindset. Gotta do the same way each time, which is not difficult. It just takes a little bit of time to get used to it. Okay, so I do that the whole edge all the way around the 360 or the whole perimeter, let's say. Okay, I do that through the whole perimeter, and then I take flakes off the middle after it's convexified. Okay, all right. It's excellent material. Is it translucent? A little bit. Okay, so yeah, that's coming up as part of the rock challenges that I've got. I got some more in the mail. I'll be finishing up some of that Danish flint. But I just wanted to get this on video. I didn't want to forget it, because if I don't do it now, chances are it'll get stacked somewhere. All right, Loftin Lithics. I'll put a link to it. See where you can get it. All right, there you go.